Hi, this is Ryan Blair at Kaizink, and today I am showing you the final step in moving approved screen print jobs into production. I apologize for the phone. So we've already created the production files, moved the proofs over. So now what we need to do is we're going to, let me shrink my window here. Within CoreBridge, we're going to select the URL for the order from this view here where it shows all the products. Then we have a purchasing spreadsheet. And what we're going to do is under order number, we're going to plug in the order number. So 13221. This is Arizona Stairs. Once that's in the order number field, right click it and hit insert link. Go ahead and Control V to paste the link to CoreBridge in there. Choose the department. So this is strictly screen print. So now that portion's done. So now we're going back over to CoreBridge and we're going to update all the products or just the specific products that you're working with. And we are going to go to in production, and then we're going to bump the order due date out by 2 weeks from the date that it was approved. So it was just approved today. So we're going to go to the calendar. We're going to go 2 weeks out. So it'll be due the 3rd. Hit done and update. And you'll see those change over to in production. So now we're good. The last thing that we need to do is go to the KPI tab and add 2 to products moved to production. And that is how you complete a job from proof approved screen print to in production. Thanks for watching.